Hi everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol ASTI. This is the chart that we posted yesterday on our website, and then we reposted it today. If you see, yesterday there was this bullish move above the 50 and 100-day moving averages with the close above the 100-day moving average. If you look at this chart here, this chart right here, this will give you a closer look, and you can see there was this break here above the 50 and 100 yesterday with the close above the 100-day moving average. Today's candle is forming below the 100-day moving average at 20, and so that is the key resistance level to break. If the 100-day moving average turns into resistance, that's going to put this and currently right now the 50-day moving average at 16 is on deck. So bulls, you want to see this green line hold, you want to see the 50-day moving average hold, and if the 50-day moving average support level breaks, then that would put the candles back in this downtrending channel. So bulls, you do not want to see that. And then if you look here at the next chart, this is another daily chart, and this shows the Bollinger Bands and EMAs 4 and 8. This is the other chart that we posted yesterday. This candle right here is showing the bounce off of the middle Bollinger Band, and that was a signal to us that the bounce play was setting up. And then today, or yesterday on Monday, there was follow through, and so you'll always look for the middle Bollinger Band for support on a pullback after the middle Bollinger Band has been broken. So the candle up here signaled that it was frothy, and there's the pullback. So going forward now, let's look at this chart here. This is the same chart without the annotations. So going forward, what bulls you want to see are candles to continue riding EMAs 4 and 8. That's the pink and green line, support higher, and then you want to make sure that they continue forming above the middle Bollinger Band at 14.4. As long as candles stay above the middle Bollinger Band, the uptrend that started on the first day of December should continue. If you look up here at Fasto, you'll see that Fasto is currently pinched. When we talk about pinch, this is what we're talking about. You can see the green and red line are nearly touching. So if the green line crosses the red line to the downside, that will be a bearish crossover and will signal more downside risk. Bulls, you want to see Fasto between 50 and 80 and in the bull zone. ASTI's had a hard time being above 50 on Fasto, so keep an eye out for that. That would show that the chart is strengthening. Currently, RSI is at 54.91 and in the 50 to 70 bull zone, so RSI is looking good. Bulls, you really want to see RSI stay above 50, and that would show that the chart is still strong. What's caught our eye is the volume. As you notice, there's been very big volume behind the move. Last week, there were these giant volume spikes, and that got everybody's attention. So everyone, just be sure that the volume is still with the trade. You want to, the saying is, go enter with the volume and exit, before the volume leaves. So the next chart, let's look at the next chart down here. Okay, actually take a look at MACD. MACD has been trending up, and so MACD looks good. It is starting to hook. So bulls, as long as the green line stays above the red line, that should reflect the uptrend is intact. If the green line crosses the red line to the downside, that will signal downside risk. Okay, the next chart here is a 15-minute chart, and this is showing each candle represents 15 minutes of trading, and this is a 3-day chart, and this is showing the Bollinger Bands and EMAs 4 and 8. And what happened here was there was a channel formed here off of the first candle on the 7th, and then there's been pretty much a channel formed in between. So that you have this big flagpole here on the 7th, and then pretty much a channel has formed off that level. It's been trending sideways, and so right now ASTI is at the bottom of the channel, and the key support level to hold is 17.5. The lower Bollinger Band is at 17.6. So this candle right here has broken middle Bollinger Band support, and what this is telling you is that possibly a new downtrend is starting. So bulls, you want to see candles forming above the purple dotted line, and that would signal the uptrend, and then you want to bust through the resistance line to bust is the upper Bollinger Band at 19.4, and so that level needs to be broken, and candles need to be forming above the middle Bollinger Band for the uptrend to continue. The candles forming below the middle Bollinger Band on the 15-minute chart, signal possible downside risk. And as you can see, the Bollinger Bands are tight here, so that this consolidation period has gotten the Bollinger Bands to tighten, and so yeah, this is signaling that the sideways trend, either the lower Bollinger Band or the upper Bollinger Band should break soon. Let's look at another 15-minute chart. This is another 15-minute chart, and what this is showing, each candle represents 15 minutes of trading, and this is a 5-day chart, and this is showing that the candles were below the red line's the 200-day moving average, the green line's the 50-day moving average, and the yellow line's the 100-day moving average. And candles were trading below those three levels on the 4th, and then they shot up above there on the 7th and had been trading above all three until this 3 o'clock candle, where the 50-day moving average support level has been temporarily broken. So bulls, you want to see that level hold. That's the key level to hold. The 50-day moving average at 18. If that breaks, 17 will be on deck. The 100-day moving average, and if that breaks, the 200-day moving average at 16 will be on deck. That is the key level to hold on a pullback, and should provide strong support. So yeah, so these are the ASTI charts. Thank you for viewing them. Please check out our website at mychartcoach.com and check out our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you. Hope you're having a great day.